What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Cam's Travels. Today, Emily, Edwards, and I are going on Web Slingers for our very first time. Now, if you guys do not want to be spoiled from any part of the queue or ride, I suggest you leave the video now. But before you leave, just give it a thumbs up, help out the channel a little bit. And if you do want to stay and see the ride, we cannot wait to show you all. We're gonna have so much fun. Before we get into the ride, comment down below, who do you think is gonna win? Is it gonna be me? Is it gonna be Emily? Is it gonna be Edwards? Let us know. But let's go show off the full queue of Web Slingers and then the full POV of the ride. I can't wait. We're so excited, and I hope you all are excited to join along with us. And now it is time to web sling with Spider-Man. Here we go, everyone. On to Web Slingers.
What is this?
Almost there. Edwards, you ready? Warmed up? Warming up? My man's ready. Oh my gosh.
Engineers and give them access to cutting-edge resources so that they can create tech that will empower everyday people like you. Tech like me, for example. I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps this place organized and running smoothly. Yes, Web has some of the brightest minds in the world, but I keep things around here pretty chill, so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. Oh, Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Stark tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
Because it's awesome. Buddy, you could stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the Web Slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Problem with that,
So
Peter.
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, shout. Could you just call someone else? Ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Here. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers Campus. We should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
And I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the Slinger vehicles.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall for the Slinger view.
You got 3?
Glasses. Thank you.
Ooh, got the glasses.
So stay safe and remain seated on board the Slinger vehicle with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the tray at all times.
Yeah.
Besides your children.
No se sabe qué hará. A continuación, así que manténgase seguro y permanezca sentado en el vehículo Slinger, con sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del
Yeah.
transporte en todo momento. Y por favor, supervise.
We have finally made it to the ride, everyone. Look how amazing these ride vehicles are. Insane. Alright, who do you think's gonna win?
Probably Cam.
Uh-oh, you think you're gonna win?
I don't know. If Cam tries harder than me, he'll win. But
I try to win. What do you mean?
I'm trying to have
Cam's too
fun.
competitive.
I'm trying to have fun too.
My arm around.
Visualize form profiles. Web shooters calibrating. You there, Spider-Man? Where are you? On our way. Okay, please sit back and enjoy your ride until we reach the impending disaster.
Wait, I thought the threat level chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop it.
I can't believe the chain reaction didn't work. You guys were amazing.
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, we cannot do without them.
That was also your idea. I beat you! Oh my god, I beat you!
I win!
So we just got off of Spider-Man Web Slingers. Edwards came in first. Emily came in second.
What?
And unfortunately, I came in third, which is highly unlikely. No one could have told you I was gonna come in last. But I'll let them give their review and then I'll give mine next. Edwards, how did you feel about the ride?
I heard it was not that great of a ride. It was like Toy Story Mania, about the same as Toy Story Mania, but it was 20 times better than Toy Story Mania. You use your arms full motion, your shoulders are burnt afterwards.
It's like a full workout?
Yeah, you don't even know what to shoot at, honestly.
Now let me ask you this. If you lived here in California,
Yes.
would you purchase the extra add-ons?
Yes.
You would, okay.
Yes.
Emily, now your turn on the ride. What are your thoughts?
Well, Tom Holland is the main character, so clearly I already liked it. And I don't like spiders. I have a phobia of spiders. So the ride freaks me out a little bit because it's 3D with 3D glasses, so they jump out at you. I did do way better than I thought I would do, so.
Okay, both of you out of 10, what would you give the ride? Edwards?
Are we going above 10 or 10?
You can go above, if you want to go above 10, say above 10.
I say 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10 for the ride?
I say a 9 out of 10.
9 out of
My
10.
arm is just very sore.
Guys, Edwards and Emily were 100% right. The ride was way better than we had gotten feedback from our friends who had been on it before. Obviously, it felt like a full body workout. My arm's tired. I'm probably gonna have to go put some ice on it. Unfortunately, I lost. I'm gonna have to get redemption. We still have 2 more times to get Web Slingers virtual queue while we're here. So I will try. I'll let y'all know. I'll update you.
The winner of the 3 days.
Yeah. Actually, we should do something. Whoever loses, whoever comes in last the most, has to buy everyone drinks.
Okay.
Deal? Deal. All right. Mutual. Go team.
1, 2, 3 team.
But it was a fantastic ride. I loved it. It's definitely it's Toy Story Mania on steroids, you could say. So I get why people say it's like Toy Story Mania. It did, as much as it hurt and it did feel a little short. I thought it could have been a little bit longer, maybe one more scene.
I was very surprised at the different scenes. I thought it was over because it was calculating our score.
Yeah,
and then I thought it was over.
I thought it was that. I was like, wait, we only scored 500 points? No. But come ride Web Slingers. You're gonna love it. It's a hit. It's one of the best rides here. But get ready to be sore because I know tomorrow morning when we wake up, we are not going to be loving ourselves. All right, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the full walkthrough queue of Web Slingers and the full POV of the ride. I know the footage was probably shaky with me slinging webs, so I do apologize if that footage is a little bit on the shaky side, if you want to say it, if you want to call it that. But if you guys did enjoy today's video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and ring that bell. We still have a ton more videos from our trip here at Disneyland, California, and I can't wait to show you all the absurd amount of fun we were having on our trip, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.